闪开！
As a heavy blanket of snow descends upon central and eastern China, disrupting transportation and presenting formidable challenges during the crucial Spring Festival travel rush, the National Meteorological Center has intensified its alert by issuing a renewed orange alert for snowstorms in targeted regions. Provinces such as Henan, Anhui, Jiangsu, and Shandong find themselves at the epicenter of this meteorological onslaught, with the anticipation of substantial snowfall, exacerbating the predicament faced by travelers as the peak of the Spring Festival looms on the horizon.
到这边，快支到这边，快支到这儿。
谢谢。来，我这里还有，这。
The repercussions of this wintry onslaught are palpable in the eastern province of Anhui, where over 95 highway toll stations have taken the unprecedented step of prohibiting vehicular entry due to the hazardous snowy and freezing conditions prevailing in the region. This prohibition has led to widespread inconvenience for numerous travelers attempting to navigate through these challenging weather conditions. In the provincial capital of Hefei, authorities have implemented measures to mitigate the impact, including the closure of 3 major coach stations and the mobilization of more than 300 units of machinery and vehicles for an extensive snow clearance operation. Central China's Hubei province, a crucial transportation hub, has borne the brunt of freezing rain and snow over the past few days. This inclement weather has disrupted not only flights, but also railway traffic in several cities, including Wuhan, the provincial capital.
路上根本就没有除雪，也没有撒盐，雪都停了1夜了，路上都没有车，但是撒盐的人呢？这里就是湖南常德。
In a concerted effort to maintain the operational integrity of the railway tracks, railway authorities have deployed nearly 3,000 workers to conduct exhaustive snow removal activities at approximately 4,000 sets of railroad switches.
免费，感谢。
吃米饭吧。
好。
The neighboring Henan province is grappling with its own set of challenges, particularly in reaching 4 villages situated in the city of Linxiang. Fallen trees, a consequence of the heavy snowfall, have obstructed roads, leading to power outages and telecommunication failures affecting over 2,000 villagers. Local authorities are diligently working to restore normalcy in the affected areas.
这里有个坡上不去啊，车上不去，然后这里的大车动都不敢动啊。现在我估计昨天听说已经堵到长沙去了。啊，这就是源头，给你们播报。
我靠，这是1级公路啊！现在这路，这公路了没？
Given the pervasive impact of the low-temperature rain, snow, and freezing weather, the railway departments have undertaken comprehensive measures to ensure the safe operation of passenger trains. In tandem, Wuhan-Tian International Airport, a crucial transportation hub in the region, has closed both runways since Saturday evening due to adverse weather conditions. An emergency response for snow and ice removal was initiated early on Saturday morning, with the runways expected to resume operations on Sunday. Additionally, the airport in the province's city of Jiangsu has also been closed since Saturday. The magnitude of the rain and snow freezing weather currently afflicting central and eastern China is reported to be the most severe in approximately 15 years. This unprecedented weather event is poised to exert additional strain on travel plans for millions during the Spring Festival travel rush. Media reports indicate that 10 provinces are expected to experience snowstorms or heavy snowfall, while 7 provinces will grapple with freezing rain. The areas severely affected by rain and snow are predominantly located in the central and eastern provinces, which serve as major transportation hubs in China. In response to the escalating crisis, the National Committee for Disaster Reduction, in collaboration with the Ministry of Emergency Management and the National Food and Strategic Reserves Administration, has allocated 40,000 pieces of central disaster relief materials. These materials, including cotton coats and quilts, are earmarked for distribution to Hubei and Anhui provinces. The objective is to provide crucial support for local disaster relief efforts and offer assistance to individuals adversely affected by the harsh low-temperature rain, snow, and freezing conditions in the region.